Hello guys, I am Arnesh Roy and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about hard water and soft water. So let's get started. What is hard water? So hard water is a term that denotes water which is having a very high mineral content. Drinking hard water can have certain health benefits. However, when it comes to industrial settings, hard water is highly undesirable and can cause many major problems. Now, what is soft water? Soft water can be defined as surface water that contains relatively low ion concentration. Soft water forms naturally where rough, impermeable, and calcium poor rocks are responsible for the formation of runoff and drainage basin of rivers. The term soft water is also used to describe water created by a water softening process. In these cases, water may contain high sodium and bicarbonate ion levels. Now let's have a differentiation between hard water and soft water. So hard water is something which has high mineral content while soft water has less mineral content. Hard water contains magnesium and calcium ions whereas soft water contains sodium ions. Hard water have a characteristic taste, whereas salt water tastes salty. Hard water is formed when water flows through limestone and chalk, and soft water is formed when it passes over an ion exchange regime. Soft water soap has a less effect. A film is formed rather than foam. Soap has a good effect, and a foam is formed in soft water. How to identify hardness in water? So there is an experiment aim to determine whether a given sample of water is hard or soft. You would require a beaker or straw, given sample of water and a soap. Procedure. A sample of water is taken in a beaker and a piece of ordinary soap is rubbed inside the sample of water. Result. First, if the sample of water lathers readily, the sample is said to be soft water. And if the sample of water does not lathers, then the sample is said to be hard water. Then there is another experiment. Aim to determine whether a given sample of hard water contains temporary or permanent hardness. Requirements. You would require the same thing like a beaker, sample of hard water, and a soap. Procedure. A sample of hard water is to be taken in a beaker and to be boiled for some time. The boiled water is then filtered. After all the gases has been escaped out, the clear residual sample of water is then rubbed with the soap. Result. If the sample of water lathers after filtration, then the sample is of temporary hard water whose hardness can be removed by boiling. If the sample of water does not lathers after filtration, then the sample is of permanent hard water whose hardness can't be removed by boiling. Experiment 3. Aim to study the advantage of using synthetic detergent over soap. Requirements: synthetic detergent, ordinary soap, and samples of hard water. Procedure: a synthetic detergent is added to the first sample of hard water and rubbed slowly with hands. An ordinary soap is then added to the second sample of hard water and similarly rubbed slowly. The observations are seen in both the cases. Result: the sample of hard water lathers with a synthetic detergent but not with ordinary soap. Ordinary soap, when rubbed in hard water, is wasted and lather forms. Only after all the calcium or magnesium salts are removed as scum. Synthetic detergent are sodium salts of sulfonic acid and their calcium and magnesium salts are soluble in hard water and does not form scum. Hence, synthetic detergents, when rubbed in hard water, forms lather easily and thus have an advantage over ordinary soap. Now, how to prepare permanent hard water? Take 100 ml distilled water in a 250 ml beaker. Add calcium chloride or magnesium chloride into it. Experiment. Take a 50 ml of above prepared hard water and add Na2CO3 to it. B. Filter above solution and to the filtered add soap solution. C. Third, if any white precipitate after adding soap solution, then add more Na2CO3 solution and repeat experiment B. Observation. The first case, a white precipitate. If a white precipitate is formed, then water is permanently hard. If there is no white precipitate, the water is soft. And now white precipitate means after adding more Na2CO3 in the solution, if there is a white precipitate, then the water is soft. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, press the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the notifications of new video.